Alright, doing a personal box here on 2011 plates and patches for Patrick. Good luck to you. Thanks for the purchase, man. 2011 plates. Let me get this camera a little closer here. Alright, Patrick, good luck. First up, here's your side view. It's about what I end up doing too, Mike, whenever I join a break. Ravens, Joe Flacco. Guess you don't need the teams. Ravens, Flacco, 87 at 249. Andre Johnson, Texans, 299, I believe. 219 at 299. Darren McFadden for the Raiders. So used to seeing the teams. 160 at 299. Ryan Whalen, rookie, silver for the Bengals. That should be numbered to 100. What's on this card? Got a little line through the silver part there on the B. Not sure what that's about. Next up, rookie gold, Marcus Gilchrist for the Chargers. You don't need to know that. 39 of 50. Got a prime jersey number, RPA. We'll save that for the end. Hopefully it's something good for you. RPS rookie signature redemption, messed up sticker. RPS rookie signatures 220. We'll figure out who that is after we get through your other cards here. For your PC team, Adrian Claiborne, Bucks rookie silver auto. Adrian Claiborne. That's number 26 of 100. Up next, this is Chris Johnson. Chris Johnson. One color for the Titans. It's number 180 at 299. For the Bengals, Carson Palmer. Honors and jersey. One color, number 173 at 299. Next auto, or excuse me, patch. Prime jersey nameplate. Vincent Jackson for the Chargers. Hey, he's on your team now at least. Nice patch there. Up in the corner by the WR part for wide receiver, it's also got, looks like some stitching there. It's kind of tough to see on the video right here. And your VJax is number 4 of 5, actually. It's 4 of 5. Nice low number there, Patrick. And he's on your team now at least. Alright, and for your final card, best of luck to you. Prime jersey nameplate. You know that auto, Patrick? Give you a hint, he's on your team. This is going to be number 1 of 5. Josh Freeman. Patrick B. Nice box pick, man. Your team, my team, the Bucks. Congrats, Patrick. 1 of 5, Josh Freeman, prime jersey number. 3 color. Pretty much a 5 break patch there. 1 of 5. To go with that, even though he's in the Chargers uniform at this time, VJax 4 of 5. You still got your redemption. Let's see, 173 of 299 on your Carson Palmer, 81 of 299 Chris Johnson, Claiborne 26 of 100. Oh yeah, a lot of PC love on that one. Let me know if you want to see the numbers on your bases and inserts. RPS rookie Sigs 220. It's gonna be Daniel Thomas. Dolphins Daniel Thomas 220. RPS Ricky Siggs. Yep, whoever said that called it right. Daniel Thomas for them Dolphins. Nice box pick. Nice box pick, man. That was a good one for you for your team. Thanks again for the purchase, Pat. Appreciate it.